To help you prepare for actual abstract reasoning tests, I've included a few sample questions with some common questions. Practice is the best way to succeed on these kinds of exams, so take advantage of the free questions here and use our explanations to help you get better. Which shape comes next in the sequence? The answer is letter E. The black and white dots are alternating between 5 and 7 in number. In the last picture there are 5 white dots and 7 black ones, meaning the following image should contain 7 white dots and 5 black ones. Which shape comes next in the sequence? The answer is letter B. There are 4 rules consistent in this sequence. First, the number of dots appearing in the center is decreasing by 1, as is the number of sides appearing on the black shape. The triangle is being flipped sideways and then back again, and finally the square in the corner remains the same. Which shape comes next in the sequence? The answer is letter B. Each tile contains 2 overlapping shapes, one larger than the other. As the 2 shapes overlap, a new, smaller shape is created inside the first large shape. The large shape in the following tile corresponds directly with this new shape that was created. When the shapes overlap, the largest bisection is always within the biggest shape. Please like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.